And where's Candy? I'm blue.
What? And I'm red.
Look at all this candy. Is it for me? Whoa. Ooh, gummy roll.
Oh, I got your gummy roll. Aha! Let's trade.
Ooh, got it. Ooh. Oh, Max.
Ooh.
Oh, you got it all, Max.
That was good. What's next?
Ooh, I got something special for you. Ha ha ha.
Oh, is that whipped cream?
All done. Oh, Max.
Oh, is that pie?
Yup. Open wide.
Wait, no.
Too late. Right in the face. Yes.
I'm gonna get you back, Becca.
Whatever. Just pick your next candy.
Fine. Ooh, juicy drop gummies. Oh, let's see how this tastes. Here it goes. Oh, it's so sour.
Let me try. Ooh, I love sour.
Oh, she likes sour, huh?
Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Oh, Max.
Gotcha.
I know. Ooh, hi-ya. You missed me.
What?
Oh, Max.
Oh, what is it?
Catch.
Wait, no. Becca.
Got you. Ooh, have a bubba.
Ooh, Hubba Bubba? Yeah!
Max? Where are you going? Oh, hold on, Max. I know what to do.
Oh, that was so high. Thanks, Becca.
No problem. This bump.
Okay.
Nice. It's so good. How's yours?
Mine's delicious.
Yeah. Ooh, nerd rope.
Nerd rope. Ooh, that looks good.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Now I got two. Ow.
Oh, not fair. That was mine. Time for payback. I got you. Ooh, Big Dipper.
I know. Pause.
Ooh.
Now to add some hot sauce. Play. Oh, Becca, you're so funny.
I need soda.
Oh, rewind.
Max!
This controller came in clutch.
Oh, can you use that to get me out?
Oh, let me try.
Whoa! You did it, Max!
Yeah! Oh, yes!
Hey, security! I've been looking for you! Let's go! Huh? Where'd she go? Well, now a word from our sponsors! Kevin Kraft here. Are you sick and tired of small bubblegum? Is it frustrating for you to open regular-sized bubblegum? Now there's a solution! With advanced bubblegum technology, we have created the biggest bubblegum ever made. For 3 easy monthly payments of $99.99, you can get the Jumbo Hubba Bubba. So remember, this is a limited time offer, so call now. Hi everyone.
If you like our video, leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.